Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Features also include traction control, cruise control, CD player, steering wheel controls, MP3. Come test drive the 2017 F-550 Super Duty. The Ford Super Duty F-550 is a real work truck built with Ford tradition for reliability, safety, and comfort. This heavy-duty work truck is ready to tackle the most demanding jobs and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, brake assist, traction control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, tires, front all-season, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.